Today I want to show you how I made these page numbers. This was a lot of fun to make. It took me quite a while to think about it, and let's hope I can make it entertaining for you and maybe you can get some ideas from it. Alright, so page numbers is an array of number. It's a variable array of numbers. It could have 9 pages or it could have 1 or none depending on what I'm showing. So the first thing I need to do is I need to ask if there are page numbers, meaning that that array contains any number. And if it does, I'm going to apply to it a method called map. Map is a method that allows me to iterate through each number. So I'm asking, is page number's length equal to 1, meaning there's only one page? Then in that case I would display nothing, because I wouldn't want the number 1 displayed if there's only just that number. Else I'm doing something else. I'm asking is that number, say for example we are on number 1, is that number smaller than current, say on this example current page is 4, but it could be any one. Is this number smaller than current page minus 2? If it is, display, instead of displaying the number 1, display a dot. Or is that number bigger than the current page plus 2, then don't display that number, just display a dot. Else would be that we are dealing with these numbers. And the other thing I wanted to do is I wanted to differentiate between these numbers and the current page. And I did that with a conditional CSS class. So I'm saying, is the number the current page? If it is, displayed in this special manner. I named it letra negrita, but it ended up being white. So if we are on the current page, I'm going to display that number white, and all the other numbers would be just standard. The other thing I made is these are arrows. Notice that when we are on page 1, the arrow disappears, and then because we can't go backwards anymore, and on page 2 they both appear. And as you can imagine, if we are on page 9, it'll disappear again. I made that by just asking, is current page number 1? If it is, don't display anything. On any other page, show this little thing. And on page number 9, I'm asking, remember that now we have 9 pages, but we need to know that there could be a variable amount of pages. So what I'm asking is, if current page, if we are positioned on the last page, then don't display anything. Else, make this little arrow. All right, that's all. Hope you had fun with this video. Thank you for watching.